Hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is multiplication, real life number stories of numbers up to 3 digits. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve real life situations involving multiplication of numbers up to 5 digits by numbers up to 3 digits. First, let me tell you multiplication keywords for identifying word problems of multiplication. The multiplication keywords are product, times, twice, combined, such, gain, by, double, triple, each group, every, increased by, multiplied by. Now, let's solve an example. The cost of a washing machine is rupees 54,900. Find the cost of 125 such machines. You need to circle the word such because this is saying you such means that same as told previously. यानी कि सच का मतलब ये हुआ कि जैसे हमने पहले बात की है बिल्कुल सेम उसी तरह की क्वांटिटी की बात यहाँ पर होगी. Now according to this situation I am going to tell you that this is the word problem of multiplication. So इस word से हमने identify कर लिया कि ये word problem जो है ये multiplication की है. अब हम इसके steps करेंगे. सबसे पहले हमें identify करना है how to create the statements. We need to create statements. ये statements different हो सकती हैं जैसे कि आप different topics की headings different भी कर सकते हैं मगर यहाँ पर ये depend करता है totally आपकी word problem पर या real life problem पर. इस problem में अगर आप note करें तो first line से आपको first statement मिल जाएगी. अंडरलाइन करें फर्स्ट लाइन को और इसको दोबारा से रीड करें so that आपको स्टेटमेंट क्रिएट करने में आसानी हो. The cost of a washing machine is rupees 54,900. You are going to write like this and then the second statement is going to identify. आप इस second statement को final statement से निकालेंगे. कैसे निकालेंगे? Find the cost of 125 such washing machines. So यहाँ से हमें आप देखिए 125 क्या है हमारे पास machines का नंबर या machines की क्वांटिटी. हम इसको ये कह सकते हैं इस स्टेटमेंट को number of washing machines is equals to 125. ये बात आपने याद रखनी है कि हमने इन नंबर्स को बिल्कुल इनकी प्लेस वैल्यूज के अकॉर्डिंग ही लिखना है. वंस को वंस के नीचे, टेंस को टेंस के नीचे और हंड्रेड्स को हंड्रेड्स के नीचे लिखना है. अब सेकेंड नंबर के साथ आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन का सिंबल डालना है एंड देन आफ्टर राइटिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल यू नीड टू ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन which will tell you that you are going to start the solution of this question. So we are going to start multiplication of the number starting from the number which is lying at ones place. And you already know the expanded form of the numbers as I told you in my previous lecture that we are going to write the numbers according to their expanded form. So here we are going to multiply the number 5 with the number 0. 5 zeros are is equal to means 5 into 0 is 0. So I am going to write 0 right here as you can see at ones place. Now I am going to multiply the number 5 into 0. Again 5 into 0 is same 0. So I am going to write this one more 0 at tens place. Now my dear students, I am going to multiply 5 with the number 9 and 5 nines are 45 which is a 2-digit number. Now I am going to place the number 5 over here and will take the number which is at tens place as a carry on the number 4. Now I am going to multiply the number 5 with the number 4. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 3 is 5 nines are 45. So I am going to put the number 5 here at 100 place I'm going to put this number 4 on the top of the number 4. Now I'm going to multiply 5 again with the number 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So I'm going to write the number 4 here and will take the number 2 as carry on the number 5. Now I will multiply the number 5 with the number 5. 5 5s are 25. So 25 plus 2 is 27. So I will write down this 27 here as you can see here. Now for the multiplying by tens, as you know that the number 2 is at tens place. So I am going to write 1 0 because this is according to the place value. I am going to write the place value of this number 2. So I am going to write 0 here right below the number which is lying at 1's place. And now I am going to multiply the number 2 with the number 54,900. So 2 multiplied by 0 is again 0. I will write 0 here. Now I am going to write down 2 into 0 again 0. So I am going to write one more 0 right below the number 5. 2 into 9 is 18. 18. For 8 I am going to write 8 over here and we'll take 1 because this is at tens place. So I am going to put this one on the top of the number 4. Now 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. So I am going to write 9 right below the number 7. Now 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. So I am going to write down this number 10 here like this. Now for the third step, I am going to multiply this one which is lying at 100 place, means the place value of the number 1 is 100. So I will write down the 2 0 here as you can see at 1's place and at 10's place. Now I am going to multiply this number 1 with the number 54,900. So I will get the number like this because if 1 is going to multiply the number, the whole number will come same. So I am going to write this 54,900 here according to the remaining place value chart. Now the fourth step is I am going to add all these three numbers. So I am going to draw a line here. I am going to add the numbers starting from ones to ones. I will add ones to ones, tens to tens, 100 to 100 and so on in the same way accordingly. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 is of course 0. Now the numbers here, these numbers lying at tens place, yes, 0 plus 0 plus 0 again 0. So answer is I am going to write at tens place 0. Now 5 plus 0 plus 0 is 5. I will write 5 here. Now 4 plus 8 plus 0 is 12. So 2 will come here and 1 will be there on the top of the number. I will put this number 1 here on the top of the number 7. Now I am going to add 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So I am going to write down the 6 over here right below the number 9. Now I am going to put this number 2 on the top of the number 2. Now I am going to add these three numbers 2 plus 0 plus 4. 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now I am going to write down this 8 below the number 4. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. So I am going to write down the 6 here below the number 5. So what is missing over here is the statement, the final statement, the third statement. So the third statement I am going to get from the last sentence, which is find the total cost of 125 such machines. So I am going to write it down like cost of 125 such machines is equals to right below the answer. Now for the ending statement you need to write down from the third statement. You are going to change the equality sign into is. So the last statement will be cost of 125 such machines is this one. But which thing is important is I need to write down the commas. For writing down the commas starting from ones, you will need to count down 3 digits and then again 3 digits and then you are going to place commas. So the final answer is 6,862,500 is your final answer. Now my dear students, hope you are going to practice this at home. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.